Cut and fill are common construction activity for hillside development. Cutting will be resulted of extra soil and waste to the project. During development of hillsides, some waste generated from excavation activities can be redirected for reuse to an appropriate site, while others need to be transported to other places for disposal. Waste disposing methods. Oily waste: collect used oil and oily wastes from machinery and transportation vehicles and store and label in proper containers for disposal. Construct oil or water separator to trap and treat oily wastewater on site. Drainage from workshop floor and temporary storage area should be directed to the oil trap, prior to final discharge to public drain, river, stream or other water body. Solid waste: provide adequate waste bins with covers within site, especially at the workers' quarters. These should be regularly disposed of at dumping sites approved by the local authorities. Where possible, reuse of building material and products are encouraged. Waste recycling bins should also be provided on site. Burning of solid waste within the project site, or direct disposal into waterways or onto lower ground is prohibited. Sewage discharges from workers' quarters and site office should be discharged into an on-site temporary basic treatment facility, such as a septic tank, prior to final discharge. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, developed a 4-tiered waste management hierarchy to guide waste management decision-making. The important purpose of waste management is to reduce the amount of waste that can be used and to maintain a limited and valuable disposal space. How this goal can be achieved? This goal can actually be achieved by recycling and reusing as much material and waste as possible. Some building-related waste can be minimized. For example, construction products can be selected on the basis of its being designed and manufactured to be shipped with minimal packaging. Also consider that selection and use of recyclable materials and products offers potential to minimize waste. Reducing construction can conserve landfill space, reduces the environmental impact of producing new materials, and can cut down the overall building project expenses through avoided purchase. Some materials can be reused. For example, doors and windows in good, resaleable condition might substitute for new products, or be donated and/or sold for use on another project. Besides, during the hillside development, some cutting waste generated from construction activities can also be redirected for reuse to an appropriate site. A large percentage of construction waste is likely recyclable, including metal, plastic, wood, glass, concrete, plasterboard, asphalt, and more. Therefore, you should segregate your recyclable waste so that collectors can remove and process it properly. Implementation of waste management. Plan. The plan should show how the required recycling rate is to be achieved, including materials to be recycled or salvaged, cost estimates comparing recycling to disposal fees, materials handling requirements, and how the plan will be communicated to the crew and subcontractors.